wants you, lizard. Oh, I mean, that was convenient. Alright, everyone. I got my leader, got my hook weight, got my red circle hook, I got my frozen shrimp. I like to put the hook through the end right here, and then all the way to the tail. It increases your hookups whenever those little guys are eating away at your bait. And just in general, it increases hookups. Do a little circle, throw it under there, let it sit, let it hit the bottom. There's one. Ah, oh, just missed it. Okay. Slide it under. There we go. I don't know what I got. Oh, he's fighting good. Red, baby. Oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. I think this might be a red too. Oh, he's pulling good. He's staying low. Yep, it's a red. Decent one. I might be able to swing this bad boy up here. Oh, gotcha. Roaming the shallows. Gotcha. Oh, there we go. I don't know what I got, but he feels good. Flounder. On a gotcha lure, son. Oh, this one ain't bad. Get on up here, son. Holy shite. Where'd you get that thing at?
So right here's flounder keeper size.
Holy shnikes. That is a keeper. Nice. Okay, everyone. This is my setup. I literally have a weight on a circle hook and I put it through the mullet's tail. What I did last time was I just sat here, I threw it that piling, just like this. I kept my rod low, I let it sink onto the bottom, and then he took off with it. So, let's see what we can do. I don't know what I got, but he feels mean. Come up. Face the light. Oh, look at my pole. Deeper water. Stay away from there. Don't go under the pier. Don't go under the pier. Quit. Come on. Quit, 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 quit. What have I gotten into? it's big, whatever it is. Oh my goodness, it is big. Oh, it's a good one, whatever it is. I saw him flash. Oh, it's a good old red is what it is. Yes, son. All right, how am I gonna get this guy? Because come up here, baby. Snap. Oh, yes. He choked it. What do we got?